hottest Malayalam actresses. We all have read about the hottest actresses of Hollywood and Bollywood. But what about the actresses who are known for their looks and beauty in the world of Malayalam cinema? Presenting to you the top 10 actresses from the Malayalam cinema that are considered to be the hottest. Mamta Mohandas. Mamta belongs to the city of Bangalore. Her outstanding features are her sharp features and beautiful eyes. Along with Malayalam cinema, she is also seen in a few Telugu and Tamil productions. Her most notable roles are from the movies Big B and Anwar. She was diagnosed with cancer, although she is now cured of it. She is also a playback singer. Namitha Pramod. This beauty has captured the hearts of the youth of Kerala with her $1 million smile. She is praised for her gorgeous hair and also her excellent skills of eloquence. She can be considered as a beauty with brains because of her careful choice of roles and her expertise in acting. This quality of hers has been admired by the audiences as well as critics. Parvati Menon. The Bangalore Days actress is known for her geeky looks and dimpled smile. Some of her fans feel that her soothing voice is one of her quality that makes her hot, while some other fans beg to differ and believe that her geeky looks make her hot. She is a very talented actress who puts in all efforts into the variety of roles she plays, managing to impress the audience with every single one of them. Lakshmi Rai. This actress model is known for her ravishing attire that she wears for all the glamorous and charismatic events attended by her. She is now one of the most searched female celebrities for pictures on the internet due to her bikini pictures. Amla Paul. Amla has acted in Telugu and Tamil films along with Malayalam films. She is known for her excellent skills of delivering emotions, the roof of which can be seen in her films. Even though a couple of her movies failed to impress the film critics, her fans have not failed to support this hottie. Karthika Nair. This attractive actress is well known in the cinema industries of the states of southern India. She is the daughter of the famous yesteryear's actress Radha. Her notable features are her toned legs and alluring figure. Many of the young men of Kerala have her pictures as their desktop or cell phone wallpapers. Ramya Nambeesan. Ramya, although being new to the Malayalam cinema, has won over the audience with her seductive belly dancing in the film Bachelor Party, a film by the well-known director Amal Neeran. She is most known for her sharp features. She is also considered to leave the audience craving for more with all her roles. Her smile has also made her known in the other southern states of India. Shweta Menon. She is well known for her amazing toned body, which leave the men drooling for more. She has been considered one of the hottest actresses since her role as a seductress in the film Rathinirvedam. Her role led the film to be a huge hit.